Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs, and today I have for you my next class. This class is going to be a desktop calendar class. In this class, you'll make 10 desktop calendars, 5 of them in the landscape position and 5 in the portrait. So they stand like this, so you can put them right on your desktop or someone's desktop. These make great gifts you can give out at Christmas time and all year long. When your recipients see them, they'll be thinking of you. So you'll get all the materials to make all 5 of these calendars and all the materials to make these 5. So a total, oops, my bows are getting a little messed up there. A lot of handling. So these 5. So there's going to be 3 options for this class. The first option will be $35, and it's going to include all the materials to make these 10 calendars, including a package of the mini calendars, the mini tear-off calendars, a package of the Flowers for Every Season ribbon combo pack, a Stampin' seal, and the PDF tutorial to give you the instructions to put the 10 calendars together. These calendars all feature different DSPs. Some are in the annual catalog, some are in the mini catalogs, and some are actually celebration designer series papers. So I will include all those materials, and I will also include the shapes for you to put your sentiments on. This does not include a stamp set. So option 2 would be you have the option to add on a stamp set. If you add on a stamp set that's $20 or more, you'll be able to earn a free celebration item. So these are 3 of them that I use: the Hydrangea Haven, the Tasteful Touches, and then Enjoy the Moment. We have a lot of stamp sets that you can choose from, but these are just 3 of them that I chose, that I used on my calendars. So if you get the option 2, you'll get the free celebration item and the stamp set that you choose. And then option 3 is going to be the PDF only, and that's $15. So option 1 is $35 for all the materials, the Stampin' seal, the calendars, the ribbon. And option 2 is all of that plus a stamp set that's $20 or more and a free celebration item. And option 3 is just the PDF only. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know. You'll have to email me for the registration link and to let me know which option you would like. You can email me at lcdesigns1@comcast.net. Thank you. Bye-bye.